Here we go, some more tonight. Trilogy. Edmonton's random. Who's going to get them? Let's find out. Did you? You stopped talking in your sleep, though. Healthy won him in the last one. He didn't get anything. And Calgary gets him in this one. Hey, it's Tex. Go figure. Tex is the Edmonton random winningest machine ever. That's okay. Tex always grabs the good teams too. Tex, and actually 1, 2, 3, 4. If that would have gave you 5, I would have gave you a wheel spin, but he only got 4. Alright. So here we go. Rick, War Machine, Sid, Tex, Sis, Brian, Aaron. Some late night shenanigans going on here. War, Tex, and War with the dart listing. Sid and Aaron with the wheel spins. Brian, Aaron, Ed's in there. Rick and Matt's decided to play in this one. And their Sis has got the Leafs again. Jealous. And there we go. So, draw some darts again. There's a couple minutes of shenanigans. Get onto the box eventually, right? So War Machine, Tex, and War Machine in that order. I always do it in the order it shows up on my cell sheet. So, single 3, triple 12, single 5. And just like the last break, I'm out of fridge magnets. So you're going to get 2 packs of Pinnacle and a pack of Prism if you land on a magnet. Tex, single 7, or double 7, single 15. And triple 8. Didn't get the one you want, but I might have pulled it earlier, I don't know. War, I forgot to check when you asked, but you should have reminded me. Double 9, double 5, and triple deuce. War Machine's got a ton of magnets lately. Sid with the wheel spin. Anaheim. Anaheim's a dart. Up at me corner. That's not cool. My awesomely laminated with packing tape list there. So extra darts for Sid is a double 3. And Aaron. LA Kings, it's some inserts, I think, for you. Yep, 3 inserts for Aaron. So actually I got a bunch of young guns. I think I've seen a New Jersey Devil one, so let's see what I got. Maybe it wasn't. Oh. I'm blind. Oh, I'm going to give you 3. I'm going to give you 3 of these old young guns, because I'm pretty sure you won't have them. That's Joe Jensen, Hall of Famer right there. Robbie Earl, for the Leafs, I remember him. He never ended up playing with them. And Yanni Niskala, who was, I thought he was at Dallas, but there's a Tampa picture there. Probably thinking of the other guy, Yanni Niskanen. Yes. Dope. Anyways, yeah, in our box, we're on 7s for this one, guys. All the hits that qualify will go to your 7 pile. You can watch my TV and the serial number if you want. There we go. Hey, Koski, what's up? Doing some whole bunch of late night bins tonight, Koski. I still got 2 more to go after this one. So, late night break-ins going on. Bit of brick. Save that puppy till last. Mem in this one, I think. Cooter! There you go, Matt. Debut season out of 111. Cooter. One team, one jersey card for you. It's going to get you a single 7 as well. Might wake you up a little bit. Tiny. Pominville. Jason Pominville at 579 for the Minnesota Wild. And Sid. I think I pulled this one for you already, Sid, but can't have enough Pommins. Bottom left corner just a tiny bit Yankee. Oh, you're welcome. That's good. Good job, man. I think Break Ninja said there's a lot of oh, another brick. Peak. That's interesting. I think Break Ninja said there was a lot of oh yeah. Kittens tend to wake you up with claws in the face. Been there. Autograph for Rick. A pretty good night. Oh, some little chips along it. Little nicked it is. Stefan Noesen. It's a short printed one. Level 2, I think. Or level 2 out of 199. It's going to get you a double 7 as well. Not in the best condition. This is a recording. True rookie for the Leafs. Insists Antoine Bibo. Bottom left corner is like bent over nicely. You can see in the video right there. Totally not cool. Thank you very much. Yeah, no kidding. That was a monster hit, really. I didn't expect to see it. That's like the best autograph. I didn't even know he was in that set, to tell you the truth. That's why it was a bit of a shock. Anaheim and Rick again. A 678 career points. Ryan Getzlaff. It's the top right corner, and this one's a little dang this time. Boo. I think the upper deck should put the spacers on the outside and have a machine that packs them nicely. Hey, double dip with your single team, Matt. True rookie, Anthony Stolarz. Nicely done. I was actually checking the top of the card to see if it coincided with that spacer ding, but it does not. And into our packs. Here's this one. I think it's a rookie jersey or patch. Jersey. The wrong one, though. Oh, is that ever dinged? Holy cow. Protects. Henrik Samuelsson. You can see the top right side of this card is like completely jankified right around, all the way around. Thank you very much, Upper Deck, for mangling our cards. We enjoy it so much. Did I get you a single 7 as well? No? Yeah, let's see what this one is. Might be a puck signings. I don't know. It is a puck. So sweet. Hopefully a duel with Gretzky. No, it's a good one though. Going to Rick. Rick is winning. Nikolai Ehlers. Signature puck, very faint. Puck for you, bud. And surprisingly, it's not incredibly jankified. It's pretty good. And when you get this puck, you might want to push down on the middle to get that puck flat again, because these things kind of don't glue well in the middle. They kind of look round. It's not a puck. Puck should be flat. So, and that's going to get you a double for your pile. So there we go, guys. Another break in the books. I'll see you on the next break in a few minutes. Have a good one.